Yo, what's up everybody? In this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can log in into your blue light card account. So for those people who do not know what blue light card is basically like a debit card or like a credit card. It's basically a card, alright, which is under blue light card company. It's basically what its name says. It's under the company called Blue Light, alright? And it's basically a UK company. And if you guys do not know, it is backed up by a lot of companies over here. As you guys can see, I'm at the official website of Blue Light Card, and it's been supported by Apple, and it's been supported by Cineworld, Charlotte Tilbury. There's like a lot of company which backs this card up, all right? So if you are, worried like this might be a fraud card, don't worry about it. Samsung and Starbucks, big companies like that also back these card up. And if you want to know more about it, you can click on About Us to know more about it. But this video is on how you guys can log in into blue light card, so I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can do that. But before that, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. One step, let's move on. First step, you want to search for a blue light card. After you search for it, click on welcome to blue light card. It's going to bring you to this website, which is the official website of blue light card. Over here, you can click on the login button over here. If you want to register, click on register now. All right, once you're over here, enter your email address. So I'm going to enter my email address over here. After entering your email address, you need to enter the password of your account. After you enter the password of your account, you can click on login, and you should be able to log in into your blue light card account. And if you forgot your password, you can always click on forgotten password in order to recover the password of your blue light card account as well. All right, so yeah, and if you want to create an account, you can scroll a bit down, click on create account in order to create an account as well. So hope you guys understand. If you guys did, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel one step, and I'll be seeing you guys on my next video. Bye bye until then, and have a nice day. Peace out.